Hey guys, welcome back to KB's Rush Revival. Today we're working on the camp trailer. We've got a few little issues that we need to address and a major issue, so we're just kind of working on a few things on it so for winter hits, so stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing we're addressing out of many things is the stripping, the sealer that goes around this track right here to seal your slide out when your slide out's in. This one has turned to nasty tar pretty much, just sticks to everything. As you can tell, it's all over the roof, so we're going to replace that real quick. And then we actually don't have anything underneath the roof right here. There's been a small hole underneath whatever this sealer seam tape is that they've used. It didn't last. Apparently this trailer's only 5 years old, so I shouldn't be having issues like this, but just my luck. So I'm gonna hand the camera to Kaylee and she's gonna kind of video. Might have to wipe a few things off first. Like I said, it's pretty sticky stuff and we don't want it to pull the new one off. That doesn't feel sticky. The main part that's sticky is right over where I can't even get to because there's no structure left in the roof. We got some goo gone. We're gonna try it, see if it works for this. Seems to take it off your hands pretty good, so if you can tell. So this is the stripping we're dealing with here. I've already replaced this one. It still needs to be sealed down the edge of it, but like I said, there was a hole right here in the membrane, so all the waters ran underneath this and left it, so there's really nothing there. So we got our new roll of D channel, is I guess what they call it. Just bought it off Amazon. I figured it's probably all coming from the same place anyways, so we're gonna slide it into this track. It's kind of hard to see. It'll slide into here and then we'll just try to push it down this full length of this to the other end. I don't remember how far I have to go. This gasket ain't near as big as that other. Just want to make sure that I've got plenty. So this is the only trailer I bought brand new. Like I said, it's 5 years old and it's what we call, working in the trailer industry, a COVID trailer. It's a 2020, and it seems like when COVID hit, every trailer we've worked on, they have not been built very well. If I would have known that at the time, I wouldn't have bought one, but you live and learn. The nice thing about buying a trailer brand new is the warranty. One terrible thing about buying a trailer brand new is the warranty. I know, makes no sense, but if you know, you know. You have to deal with all the paneling that wants to break loose inside, all the stuff, and then have to take it back to the dealer and have it warranted. And the dealer I bought this from was 50 miles from here, so it didn't make it very fun. And they only come with a 1-year warranty, so fall down, fall down, fall down, fall down, fall down. If you're looking into buying a camp trailer, just beware. There is a lot of maintenance on them. Any little thing like this in the membrane of the roof, that's a water spot for water to get in. So they're pretty meticulous on keeping them sealed, and yeah. Tents are almost nicer, but I mean, a trailer is a little thicker still for something to come through the wall. So other thing that I need to do that I've noticed is all the windows need to be pulled and butyl tape put back in them all. They're all cracking. Okay, so one last thing. I'm just going to run a bead of silicone along this edge. I should be using lap sealant, but I don't have any today. I have some on order and it hasn't made it here, and it's supposed to rain. So we're going to get some of this put on, at least keep the rain out, and then I can come back in with the razor knife and take it back out and put some lap sealant in. I got this stuff everywhere, this nasty tarry stuff. Okay, there you have it. We got that new D channel put on, the gasket, and then we've siliconed it for right now. We got the sticky off of this. Probably gonna have to call and have the insurance come and look at it because we've got water underneath the membrane, unfortunately, and this stuff here is all peeled back. So like I said, camp trailers, they're high maintenance, just like anything else. So you take care of them, they'll last you. Unfortunately, I've missed the leak in the slide out, so you can only do what you can do. So thanks for watching KB's Rust Revival. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.